Hey drummers, how's it going? It's Alex once again, bringing you some more fun-free drumming ideas. For this week's lesson, we've got 3 fun drum fill ideas. What we're going to do is we're going to go through each of them individually. All 3 of them sort of work great if you want to combine them together with something else. We've got some sextuplet style sticking, some right, left, kick with some interesting voices. We've got a nice drum fill which starts off with a double kick, which gives it an interesting sort of flavour. And then we've got some sort of classic Bonham style hurters, sort of starting on like beat 2 as opposed to, just diving straight into it. So you get some interesting sounds that way. So if you like what you saw in the intro and you want to give these bad boys a crack, stick around and I'll break them down. Here we go. Alright, so what I'll do, if I just go through the sticking of each one individually, the idea behind this lesson isn't necessarily to sort of learn these drum fills like verbatim, exactly how I'm playing them. I'll give you like a voicing idea to go with it, but the idea is more just to sort of steal some of the sticking patterns and then sort of mash them up, mix them together, and then create some of your own fills. A lot of these ones you can sort of like glue back to back and play as like 2-measure fills as well. So yeah, just steal these ideas and play around with them and see what you come up with. So the first one we've got, let's just go from a groove. I'll play it. It's fairly simple. We're not going to go too fast just yet. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 E and 2 E and a 3 and a 4 and a crash. Turn this down a little tiny bit. All right, so if I just go through the sticking from the moment we actually go into the fill, we've got 1 E and then and then 2 E. So it's like a little 6-note pattern which goes kick, kick, right, left, kick, kick. And then we're going to play another 6-note pattern coming off the hi-hat, which is going to be right, left, kick, kick, which gives us 12 out of our 16 notes, and then we're just going to finish off with a right, kick, and then crash. Because if you watched some of my videos before in the past, you know I do love to finish fill with right, kick, bang. So we've done it again. All right, so let's just go for the fill one more time. So we've got kick, kick, right, left, kick, kick, right, left, kick, kick, snare, high, floor, kick, crash. Let's go for that a little bit faster. It's quite nice, there's no gaps in it, so it's pretty solid all the way through. We chuck it into a nice basic groove. One more time. Right, and that is drum fill numero 1. Alright, so for this next fill, it's going to heavily feature the Bonham Hurter. I know he's already got triplets named after him, but we'll give him the Hurters as well, because he sort of plays this right, left, right, kick, that in Stairway to Heaven and many other songs. I think he does it at the end of the rock and roll drum solo as well. Can't remember off the top of my head, but I'm pretty sure he liked this fill, and it sounds good. Okay, essentially what that is that's going to take up 3 16th notes. By the time we've done 2 of them, it's going to be the equivalent to playing like right, left, kick, kick, or right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick. It's like, just think of it as like a little 6-note phrase. By the time we've done these two little Bonham Hurters. All right, so I'll play the fill quickly. So we've got a nice little right, kick. That old chestnut again. That's going to be our beat 1, okay, it's going to take us up to 1 E and Now the 2 Hurters, they're going to take up 6 16th notes, so by the time we come out of doing the diddle-a-duh, we're going to be on the and of beat 3, which is then going to leave us with another 6 notes to play around with, but we're not going to play every single 16th note. We're going to go 4 E and crash. Right, it's a crash. 4 E, a crash. So again, this takes up 6 notes as well, so we've got right, left, okay, and then we're sort of treating this as like a bit of an 8th note as well, so it's going to linger a tiny bit. And then on the upbeat 4, we're going to bring in that kick and pump it twice so that we can then hit the crash on beat 1. So let's go through it one more time. Let's chuck this bad boy into some groove. If you wanted to, you could play it off the back of the fill we just did. you've got yourself a sweet double 2-measure drum fill as well. Moving on to fill numero 3. What we've got is we've got a nice little sextuplet pattern. It's right, left, kick, kick. Okay, so if you're playing it in the same sort of like, if you've got a metronome on at like 120 and you're playing those other ones, obviously with them you're cramming in like 16 notes per bar, so you've got a fairly steady speed if you're like 120. When it comes to playing the 16th note triplets, that's where you're cramming in 24 notes per bar, so it's going to be like, it's going to feel a lot faster, it's going to be a little bit more intimidating to play at that tempo, but we'll just go through it nice and slow. And what we've got, and I've sort of used this little idea because I'd like to incorporate the hi-hats into drum fills, so it sort of breaks it up a tiny bit. We're going to play this little pattern and go right, left, kick, kick. Okay, I'm still playing right, left, kick, kick, but we're just sort of doing a bit of crossy over action because it looks nice and sexy. How's it go after that? Yeah, okay, right. So once we've done this bit, right, left, kick, kick. Our right hand's down here, our left hand's already poised and ready at the hi-hat. From here, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's just try and combine beats 1 and 2 together. All right, I think what we're going to do after that, so we've got... Okay, yeah, so beat 3 is actually exactly the same as beat 1. So we're going to get 1 triplet and triplet, 2 triplet and triplet, 3 triplet and triplet, and then we're going to finish on beat 4 with a big fat snare. So if we put it all together, it turns out I'm going to use my left hand to hit that snare. This sounds quite nice. I like that feel a lot. I try and use it when I can get away with it. Not that often. Get a little break in the song, you can just sort of slap that in. 2, 3, 4, then Okay, so you can have a little bit of, shut up, you can have a little bit of fun with that. So they're the 3 drum fills that I think you might get a lot out of, because they've all got like little different elements. We've got a bit of Herters in the second one, we've got the nice 16th note triplet idea, the right, left, kick, kick, but not sort of voiced in that. I think you'll get a bit more mileage. We start incorporating that hi-hat and we can get some cool crossover bits in there. And then of course we've got that first drum fill, which I think the cool thing about it, when you start with those 2 kicks, sort of catches the listener off guard a tiny bit when you're playing it. I quite like that. So there's 3 ideas. Have a little practice. All I do now, if I just pop up there, I'm not going to blast them out ridiculously fast. If I was doing them individually, then I'd sort of go for max speed. But where we've got 16th notes and 16th note triplets, if I'm really pushing the sort of first 2 drum fills, then I'm going to really struggle with that last one. So we'll keep it relatively chilled for now, and then just, like I said, steal these ideas, take some of these sticking patterns. Even if you want to take 1 beat's worth or 1 little phrase, where it's that kick, kick, snare, snare, kick, kick, and then do the maths to see if you can work out how much you need, how many extra notes you need to sort of fill up the bar, or whether you want to spill over into the second bar and do something cool like that. So yeah, I'll wrap up talking and then just start playing, and I'll come and say goodbye. Here we go. All right, drummers, so there it is. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Like I said, like a number of times in the video, don't worry about necessarily learning these drum fills exactly note for note or voice for voice. Just steal some of the ideas, whether it's that kick, kick, right, left, kick as an opener. We've got that right, left, right, bzz. We've got that little left hand and on the hi-hat, giving us that choke sort of hi-hat sound. We've got some cool crossover 16th note triplets. We've got the Bonham Herters in there. And they're all sort of voiced randomly around the kit, which gives it a slightly more interesting vibe when listening to it. If you want the sheet music for this lesson, you can hit the link below. That will take you over to my website, where it will take you to the latest lessons, and then you'll have the video of all lessons, and then next to it will say link to sheet music and then the number of the lesson. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give it a like if you did enjoy the video. Hit that little bell notification icon. That'll let you know every time a new video comes out. And if you're interested in more lessons, we've got tons more in the exclusive sponsor library. So sign up, become a sponsor. It costs you less than a pint and a packet of crisps per month to get sort of 4 or 5 drum lessons, depending on how it falls on the week each month. You know what I mean. Anyway, take care. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you very soon for some more fun free drumming ideas. All right, see you later. Bye.